Hello dear, my name is Sima. Ahmed. Bavi. Fungi are living things and found everywhere and grown in varied places. Types of fungi: athlete's foot, truffle, mushroom mold, yeast, which is a single-celled fungi, and mushroom and truffle are edible. The fungi get food from dead matters in the soil, but some of them are parasites. Parasites are organisms use other organism body to think. Characteristics of fungi: fungi grow in soil, salt and liquid media. Fungi, like plants, are surrounded by cell wall, but they don't have chloroplast. That's why they cannot make their own food. Athlete foot is a kind of disease that causes by fungi as it's grow between toes. Parts of the mushrooms: cap, gill, stalk, and also hyphae. Hyphae anchor the fungus, and mushroom are produced by spores.